Hello, this is David and Veronica from deverotravels.com.
We gave up everything to travel the world. Now we are in Chiang Mai.
And today we are visiting some of the night markets. But before we show you all of that, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notified of all of our future updates. And go and follow our Instagram page where we are posting up-to-date photos. Our first stop is the Kalai night market, but on our way we can't help but stop and try this roti.
We got this roti, chocolate and banana. It was 25 per one, so it was quite cheap. So yeah, normally it's about 40 to 60. The roti is it's really thin, and the banana is mainly taken. It's like good ratio there.
If you're looking for lots of souvenirs and little trinkets, then as soon as you turn into the main street where the night markets are, then you'll see that there's plenty of stalls. On this street there are at least 3 night markets, but they all kind of blend into one, so it's hard to distinguish between one and the other. We decided to go into Kalai and have a pad thai.
We ordered a tofu pad thai from Pad Thai Original.
After being a little disappointed about the markets on this street, and it's basically set up just for tourists, we decided to move on. We went up north to the Chinese night market.
Do you want a sausage?
I'm quite full up actually, weirdly. It's like the old fashioned, like proper crispy outside. You can also tell it's quite cold outside. There's steam.
Because it just came from the grill.
Yeah, we couldn't see the steam in Bangkok because it was warm. Traditional. I guess there's like quite a lot. Oh, there's like, I think that's fat.
I think that's fat.
No, those noodles.
With noodles?
We saw a lot of Westerners turning their nose up at most of the food in the Chinese market, so we felt that we knew that we were in the right place. You can taste the noodle. You can taste the noodle.
Yeah. Yep.
It's basically just a pork sausage with noodles, but it tastes really nice. There's not actually a lot of pork in there.
No, quite a lot of rice noodles
There's a
in
lot
there.
of rice noodles. The glass noodles.
Yeah. Oh, really nice. It's really nice.
What?
And it's completely
Actually,
different to one in
Best
Bangkok.
bit is the skin.
Yeah, it's very
crispy
crunchy.
That's where the flavour is. The flavour's in the skin. I'm also enjoying how hot it is because we're pretty cold.
Cold in 20 degrees. Yeah, very nice.
As I didn't enjoy the roti that we ate earlier on the way, I thought I wanted to try some other different dessert, so we tried this one instead. I'm not sure what the name of it actually is, but it's an interesting way of making it. It's basically like a batter, and then, yeah, it's basically just a thin layer of batter, and then another different type of batter is then poured into it and slowly cooked with the lid on. Just go around there and try and pour another one. Or just go with
You
that.
sure?
Yeah, we can.
You're not gonna pee yourself? Doesn't even have. thing what we got is a corn on a cob. It's grilled. 10 baht. So you're just trying to you're gonna try it.
The 14th meal we've had. It's soft. Soft.
Really nice.
Needs some butter. But it's still really sweet. Really, really tender. It's been cooked for probably hours. In the husk, like the husk as it is normally. So it keeps all the moisture in. It's really hot. Yeah, then she just trims off the ends when you order it and hands it to you. Get the natural caramelization on it. And the sweetness come out.
Yeah.
That's really good. See what else we can find.
Yeah, gonna go to the fresh fruit market, see if it's still open, and to get something from over there as well.
Yeah, now the market has moved out here, so we were here earlier. And then a lot of the market has now moved out onto the street rather than into the actual square itself.
Yeah. That's why it's 24/7.
Yeah, so I think it sort of evolves as the time goes by. At night time it comes out to the street, and then during the day it will go. It's still a large area, still a huge area with the fish market. I think now that's the wet market. That'll be the dry fresh market. There's flowers as well. Yeah. See, it's definitely less crazy than when we were here before. But it's still very busy at the time of night. It's 10 o'clock at night. Still plenty of people about. Stores are all full. Fully stocked, ready to. Yeah, it's
It was very busy.
couldn't really walk down earlier.
You may be wondering what's in the cup. It's not coffee, but something a little stronger, just a local whiskey.
Down the road is where the wet market was. It looks like it's closed. There's still the odd bit of some chicken.
There's some.
Yeah, oh yeah, there's some fish here. But this wasn't here earlier. Yeah, I'm trying not to die.
Yeah, no.
But it doesn't look like this like someone's spot is their permanent spot. I don't think we should go there.
Maybe.
So I just looking back there was a guy earlier selling odd bits of things, and now there's fish being sold there, and it's a completely different family. So.
More like fruit and vegetables than in the morning.
Now there's just there's bags and bags of cabbages everywhere.
Yeah.
Or pak choy. That's what just came in from the local farms.
Yeah.
To be sold, and there's now loads of pumpkins. They weren't there before.
Coming up next.
Please don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell icon so you get notified of when it's released.